What is it? Was it not obvious she was trying to get into your pants?
You are the one that is stupid.
I'm the one that is. Are you mad?
Wait. What's the meaning of this?
This is my trainer.
Trainers, like sneakers.
If you don't want to teach him, how do you get satisfied sexually then?
Why does this sound like a very bad thing to say?
Will you marry me?
John, you seriously need to calm down.
Will you marry me?
Like, I am still married.
I told you not to talk like that.
When the bed do they enter body, all the girl go shake.
Don't you ever get tired?
Fucking war.
Oh my goodness.
When they came, they were checking his truck. I think they found something. Is that the reason why you didn't involve the police?
Tell me where you went.
Femi, why have you refused to speak to me? I'm speaking to you now. Why didn't you tell him what we saw?